MN Power Sports and Marine. Spending time on the water with family and friends may be a blast, but when? Fortunately, Minnesota Power Sports in Winkler has the boat services you need to truly enjoy your investment. From secure and protective boat storage to repairs and detailing, we'll make sure your boat is in perfect working order every time you hit the water. Call 204-312-0102 for our storage and repair options in Winkler. For more information, please visit our website, www.mpowersports.ca. Or contact us through phone, 204-312-0102. You can visit our office, 2-545 Commander Drive Unit 2, Winkler, Manitoba R6W0J2. MN Power Sports and Marine.